Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create a Wise business account. First thing first, go to the Wise business website and then click the register button in the top right corner. Now you need to provide the email address that you want to use for business communication. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google, Facebook or Apple ID if it's linked to your business email. Now choose the country where your business is legally registered and next enter your mobile number and you'll receive an OTP by SMS. Just input the OTP to secure your account with 2 steps verification. Now use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters to make a unique, strong password. Now specify whether you're a majority owner or one of multiple stakeholders. And to verify your account, upload the required documents for yourself and your company. Typically includes government-issued a photo ID of passport, driver's license, etc., a proof of business registration like certificate, articles of incorporation, etc., and possibly proof of address like utility bill or bank statement. Once your documents are reviewed and approved, your Wise business account will be ready to use for payments, transfers, and multi-currency management. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.